SpaceX's 10th Starship test flight was moments from liftoff. But Mother Nature had other plans. On Monday evening, thick anvil clouds rolled in over Starbase, Texas, forcing a scrub, the second in 24 hours. So what went wrong, why this flight mattered, and what comes next? Let's break it down. The scrub happened around 8:22 p.m. Eastern on August 25th after fueling had begun. The culprit, anvil clouds, tall storm tops with strong electric fields that raise lightning risk. Because of the lightning risk, the weather window closed once propellant loading was underway. This was the second scrub. The day before, teams halted at T-39 after a liquid oxygen leak in ground systems. Elon Musk said crews were fixing a quick disconnect propellant feed. Flight 10 now faces at least a one-day delay. Why does Flight 10 matter? It mirrors much of Flight 9 but with key test objectives for the booster and upper stage. First, launch Super Heavy booster B-16 and perform a controlled water landing in the Gulf of Mexico. SpaceX will not try to catch it on the tower. Instead, they'll simulate an off-nominal case using 2 central engines and 1 outer engine. Second, Ship 37 will fly suborbital, deploy Starlink simulators, relight a Raptor in flight, then splash down in the Indian Ocean. If successful, it would be the first intact Indian Ocean upper stage splashdown since Flight 6. In short, prove booster resilience in an off-nominal engine case. Prove relight and deployment routines for the upper stage. These pieces together test reusability and the ship's operational performance. Critical steps toward routine Starship operations. Success would mark a major incremental milestone for the program. Flight 10 arrives after a rocky run. Ship 36 exploded during a ground test earlier this year, damaging infrastructure. Investigators traced that failure to a damaged pressure vessel used for nitrogen storage. Crews repaired the site. Earlier flights 7 and 8 ended early due to ascent problems, highlighting recurring challenges with the stack during ascent. Flight 9 reached space but failed to relight its Raptor and didn't deploy simulators as planned. Lessons teams are carrying forward. So Flight 10 is a critical chance to show concrete improvements in both booster reusability and upper stage performance. Starship isn't just test flights in Texas. This week, the FAA held public meetings on SpaceX's plan to operate at KSCLC-39A. SpaceX seeks approval for up to 44 Starship launches and 44 booster landings per year, plus many static fires. That cadence underpins future missions: Starlink mass deployment, NASA Artemis lunar landers, and eventually Mars ambitions. Regulatory approval and operational tempo are as crucial as technical fixes for Starship's future. Weather scrubs are common. Anvil clouds and lightning have delayed Shuttle, Falcon, and other missions. Lightning can fry avionics and doom a mission, so waiting protects both hardware and critical test data. Delays are frustrating, but they're part of maturing Starship into a reliable, reusable system. Starship Flight the 10th of May have been scrubbed, but the mission isn't over. They'll try again soon. If it succeeds, it could prove crucial systems for human spaceflight. What do you think? Will Flight 10 nail both booster and ship, or face another setback? Comment below, like, and subscribe. Next video, SpaceX Flight 9 recap.